Hello, welcome to tradingteacher.in. I am Anant Ganbote. I am here to provide you tomorrow's call for the date 23/6/2017. And the day before yesterday, my health was not good, but I have taken medicine and I am fit now. So don't worry about it. So most of the client has asking me, sir, how are you now? I am telling you that I am fit now and my voice is also good. And I was busy in admission work of a diploma in engineering, so I was not able to support you on WhatsApp also. So most of the parents and students are coming into my college to take an admission. So and I am the in charge of admission section. So for that I was unable to trade, and I am just putting my trades and just making a stop loss and target points and watching after some time. But today our calls are very good, and 3 calls have hit all the targets today. And according to the trend of Nifty, it was gone up until 11:30, I think, and after that it has reversed from some time, and it was gone in downtrend. After that, one of my client has traded in sell call of BPCL around 654, and he has waited for the single target of 638 rupees. And I will take an analysis. I will tell you what happens today. Just a minute. So friends, I have given SBIN for buy, and I have given the SL of 288 rupees, and it has not come below 291.05, and I have made a good profit in SBI today. And SBI was currently trading around 294.50, and I have given the first target of 293. It was hit, and I have also given second target of 295. It was also hit. So this is also a good call today. And I have given Kotak Bank, and Kotak Bank was I have given the first target of 999, that is 999, and second target was given for 1006, and our first targets were hit 999, and it has made high of 1004.25, and most of our clients has booked a more profit and good profit today. And one of my client has traded in BPCL call, and he directly called me and sir, I have waited for the target of 638, and it has made a low of 630. He has been traded 100 quantity, and according to this 16 points he have earned, and he sold the quantity around 654, and he has waited for the target, and he has made 1600 profit in a single call. Okay, so finding the calls like this, and I will tell you analysis Infratel. In Infratel, it has not made a low of but I have given the stop loss of 376, and it has not come below that, so this call was not hit our target, and currently this call was closed in a loss some. But I think for tomorrow it will come down, because if you notice here sell quantities are waiting, so most of the future trading clients, they can hold this position for downside. So I am not positive on Infratel, but we trade on intraday only. And if someone needs training, they can contact me directly, and currently I am going for training. I will tell you, I am wondering for training in all over Maharashtra and out of Maharashtra also. So most people directly calls me, and they take an advantage of this. So I am not forcing anyone to take a training. If someone is interested, if he is making losses, and they can contact me. So I am not forcing anyone to take a training. Okay, so I have selected for buy tomorrow. Just give me a few seconds to remove this. And if you remember, the last Friday our SL was hit. So I am also shocked why this is happening. So I have generated the tomorrow's call with a new strategy, and you should not trade with a huge quantity on these calls. So I think this strategy is wonderful, but tomorrow is Friday, and Friday comes the profit booking, and if by which calls are selected for buy, they can come down, and which selected for sell, they can go up. So like this, the last Friday was movement was done. So be alert for that, and trade with a small quantity tomorrow, and train the clients can train on their own way and in the live market. Okay, so I am telling you the calls right now. I have selected Ambuja Cement for buy, and HDFC for buy. So these two calls are buy calls, and Lupin and Hindalco are sell calls. Okay, so Ambuja Cement was currently trading around 244.95 rupees, and you have to place a buy order around 243 or 242, or you can also buy on 245 also. I am recommending you to put a stop loss below 241, and I am giving you first target of 244 and second target of 248, and I have also calculated third target in Ambuja Cement of 252. If third target can come on holding also, but we don't know, it comes on tomorrow or on holding. Okay, so I have selected the second call, HDFC. HDFC was currently trading around 1653.80, and we have to buy around 1650 or 1652 or 1648. So I am giving you the stop loss of 1624, and the first target in HDFC is 1666, that is 1666 rupees, and second target is 1676, that is 1676 is second target. And the third one, Lupin, was selected for sell. It was currently trading around 166.95, and if you notice here in offers quantity, there are sell positions are available. So I have selected this call for sell, and I am giving you the SL of 1092, and big move can possible tomorrow in Lupin, so be alert. And 1057 is first target, and 1040 is second target for tomorrow in Lupin. And the last one call is Hindalco. Hindalco was currently closed around 191.60, and I am recommending you to sell Hindalco tomorrow. If you notice here in offers quantity, there are 29,370 quantities are waiting for sell, and I am recommending you put your stop loss around 196 or 197, and I am giving you the first target of 187 and second target of 185. And don't forget, tomorrow is Friday, and the last Friday our SL was hit, so do not trade in huge quantity. So trade in a small quantity first, and if it comes in profit, then put your stop loss no profit no loss, or a small profit zone. Okay, and you can wait for this call, or you can book profit at any time, because tomorrow is Friday. Okay friends, if someone is trading, someone needs a training, and they can contact me directly on these contact details. So I am available on WhatsApp also, and if someone needs the live support from WhatsApp, what is going on the market, and they can send me a message, I will add you to my broadcast list. Okay, bye bye from Trading Teacher. Thank you.